Today we are going to show you how to create content. So you're going to go in the mobile app, click on the go to your influencer create content, click on post video or photo. Once it come up, I am going to do photo today. So I'm going to select this zippers down here, then select down. We can browse for it, or if it's already in our idea list, we can search for it. I can't find it, so I'm going to search for it in the search bar. So I'm going to type in the name of the zippers, see it already, and then I'm going to select this one because it have multiple color with that zippers in there. So okay, I'm going to press done. Then you are going to write your tag, your title, sorry. So I'm going to say perfect old slippers for this title. But at the moment, I am just showing you guys. I am not going to submit because I already have two, both a picture and a video of this. So I'm going to exit. Now I'm going to show you how to do college or idealist, sorry, idealist. So then you are going to browse or you can go through and search. So I'm going to pick random product just to give you an idea. So this is how your idea list is. They're going to give it a title. The description is optional, but you can also do that if you want. You can select any amount of product you want, then you press submit, or you can schedule it, or you can save it to job. Next one is colleague. This is where Amazon give you template guys. So I'm going to go with this one, the tech essential. I am going to browse the product, tech product. I'm going to type in tech find in the search bar. Then I am going to random select tech product. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they give us an option of 7. I don't see no more anymore so far, so I'm going to click next. I don't see anything else that I like so far. Oh, I click that one, next. Just waiting on it to load. This is how it look guys. So as you can see, you can either rotate the product. This is the text, so they have different texts you can choose from. Once you select the product, you can make it big, you can make it small, you can move it around anywhere you like it. As you can see, this is easy customizable and flexible guys. So as they said, they give us 3 to 7 products. I think I'm going to select 6 so far, something like that. So now I'm going to select one more. I go over 8, and that is it. I am going to show you like the different colors. You have text, you have stickers that you can choose from to customize to make it look and feel the way you want it on your storefront. Once you finish, you can also give it a title. You can also preview it as I am previewing to see how it looks. This is a color, so they give you 4 colors. I love the pink. You have the green, you have the blue, and this grayish brownish background. But for me, I love the pink, so I'm going to stay with the pink. Also, they have stickers and template. This is a text. You can just scroll down and choose different format of text to customize it to let it feel. I'm going to stay with that one. This is a sticker. You also can choose template. They have a lot of different template you can choose from, but I am going to stick with this one. So you can just go through, look through, and select the template that best suit you, that you love to personalize your storefront. The choice is yours. But as I said, I am going to stay with the template as is. Also remember the color. So once you select and choose, you can customize back to from the four different colors, sorry. Once you finish, you can preview again to see it. Look, now you are going to write your title. I'm just going to write the exact thing that is on it. Best tech fine, best tech essentials, sorry. Once you finish, you can just look around again to see, and then you have the choice to press submit. What I'm doing, I'm just ensuring that the title, the first part of it is capital letter. So now you have the choice to press submit, or you can schedule it. So if you want to post this on Pinterest or so forth, and you copy the link, you have live video, I will do that in the end.